Ugh, it is so rainy and miserable. Yeah, what are we gonna do? What's wrong, guys? We are so bored and miserable. Yeah, this rain is horrendous. I think I have an idea. Let's have some rainy day fun at home. That's a great idea. Okay, first let's dress up in the funniest outfits we possibly can, then show them off. Sounds cool. 10 minutes later. You guys have your funny get-ups ready? Yeah. All right then, let's see them. Oh, that's amazing. Yours is perfect. Wait, where's Caroline? I don't know, let me call her. Caroline, you ready? Yes. Come show us. Oh, that is so hysterical. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Okay, you win. I'm glad, but let's get changed back to something regular. All right, what's next? Actually, I have the perfect idea. We can play indoor tag. Tag, you're it. Wait, guys, look, it stopped raining. Yay, let's go outside. But it's still muddy. Oh well, wait up.